Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting. Someone wrote, I wanted to tell you, in case it helps someone, that I have a Toyota Corolla D4D, and for a long time it took a while for the engine to start, and it didn't respond well to the accelerator. One day the engine trouble light also came on, so I took it to the shop where I usually take it, and the mechanic put the diagnostic machine on it, and he showed him the P0191 fault. He told me that the fault surely came from the rail pressure sensor, that it would have to be changed, and I told him, before changing it, why didn't I clean it? I have seen some of your videos where you suggest it. He told me that was of no use, but I insisted, so he reluctantly cleaned the pressure sensor hole in front of me and reinstalled it in the engine. And surprise! The fault was cleared, and the engine now works as usual. This happened a little over a week ago, and so far without problems. Thanks to you, I have saved money. Thanks for these videos. I send you my regards. Let's see, of course I insist, because many parts do not have to be changed. Sometimes they are damaged, but other times the problem is as simple as that. They are dirty, be it the rail pressure sensor, or be it a map sensor, whether it is an IAT sensor, whether it is a flow meter, you always have to try to clean it. How do you clean this sensor? Well, basically, what needs to be cleaned is the hole. Sometimes the connector may have some rust and it can also be cleaned. But generally, the problem is usually here. Look, this is the rail pressure sensor. You see that it has a hole, dirt accumulates there, and then it does not give the correct values of the fuel pressure in the common rail or in the rail. How do you clean it? Well, it is as simple as using a cleaner. There you see, with a MAF sensor cleaner, which is the one we use. Here we do a good job on the hole. The colleague had already cleaned this. I told him to do it again to record this video. Look, there it is, cleaned inside, and shake it, as simple as that. It is reinstalled and the problem is solved. And if the problem is not solved that way, then it would have to be changed. But you always have to try to clean it because people don't have enough money to go around changing parts unnecessarily. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.